pour aller chercher donc le vertical numéro 4. Vérifiez maintenant. Tout Lyon, allez! Le public peut saluer la victoire. Numéro 2 mondial avec ce dilemme. Allez vite, sans la moindre faute. 38, 78 à battre. Bienvenue, monsieur Maher. Publicité d'enjeu.
Germany in the ring.
Donc, France, Allemagne. À l'occasion de la remise le Grand Prix Longines.
Congratulations on your victory here in Lyon in the Longines Grand Prix. The course tonight was particularly technical and demanding. What, in your opinion, made the difference?
Yeah, merci beaucoup at first. I have a very amazing horse with Gangster underneath me, so probably that really made the difference. Every horse that jumps here is of course a very good horse, but with Gangster it's only our third show together, so that I think even more shows how good he is to deliver such a performance tonight.
Did you get a good feeling straight away when you entered the arena?
Yes, he's in the stable a quite calm horse, and then in the warm-up he already knows, okay, today we need to perform and we need to go to do well, you know. And then when you get into the ring, he's actually getting a bit tense, and almost a little bit nervous. So my job is to calm him down and, you know, keep him with me, keep him focused. But he stayed very focused. So I cannot thank him enough, and he jumped very, very well.
The atmosphere here is always very special. What does it mean to you to win in this arena again?
Lyon always treated us well. We drove home with the best memories last year after winning the World Cup here with United Touch. So also we came back with the best memories. As you said, the atmosphere is incredible. The people are cheering. There are a lot of horse people spectating here. So yeah, it's a fantastic show, it's a fantastic result for our team here to win the Grand Prix tonight.
The indoor season is now truly underway. What kind of momentum does this victory give you for the rest of the weekend?
Yeah, it's always nice to start into the weekend with such a win. A little bit unexpected win, as I said, only our first show together with Gangster. So we hoped we could put in a good performance, but to win the Grand Prix here tonight was a bit unexpected. So that makes it even nicer and gives us, good feeling for what's left to come here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ces images sont en train de faire le tour du monde et non. De la jeunesse et pourquoi pas ce soir 38-78 à battre le cavalier Equita Lyon Montdesir flotte de prix. Eh bien, continuez vos applaudissements pour Gangster.